Hey, it's Michael Rozbruch here. And in the tax resolution world, bad is good, good is bad. Well, what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is the worse off your client's financial situation is, the better for him with regard to negotiating a settlement with the IRS. And if he's in a great financial situation and has a lot of money left over at the end of the month and a lot of equity in his assets, that's bad for us, right? We can't do an offer in compromise. We can't do a partial pay installment agreement. And that's what's coming down the pike right now, everybody. We hear all this talk about inflation, which is real, food prices going up, gasoline at over $5 a gallon, groceries, rent, and mortgages are starting to go up too because of the Fed raising the rate by 75 basis points. Mortgage rates now on the 30-year fixed are 6% as opposed to just 3% a few months ago. So the recession is going to be good. If there's an impending recession coming, it's good for the tax resolution specialist. It's good for your practice because more people than ever are going to start qualifying for offers in compromise, a lot more than before, because here's what's going to happen. With the increase in mortgage rates, home prices are going to start to level off. Not only are they going to start to level off, but they're going to decrease in certain areas of the country. That's good for us. If you're in the tax resolution business, that's a good thing. So don't be afraid about a recession. I actually had my best years, my biggest years during the last two recessions. The first one was the dot-com bust in the early 2000s, but the Great Recession that started in 2008 and rippled through the economy till 2011 were my biggest years on record. Why? Because more people than ever qualified for relief, especially when it came to offers in compromise, especially when it came to partial pay installment agreements. So this is a good thing. Don't be scared off. Don't be that concerned with the recession. If you're in the tax resolution business and you're marketing for tax resolution clients, this is a very, very good thing, and we'll see you on the next video. If you're a CPA, an enrolled agent, an attorney, or other tax professional, I'm doing something very, very special that you're going to be interested in, because I'm running my third annual, and I only do it once a year, everybody. It's called my 5-Day to 5K Tax Resolution Challenge Workshop. I'm going to come alongside you and coach you for 5 days straight, beginning Friday, July 8th. Click on the link below to get registered. It's free. Okay, this is something that I usually charge $997 for, but I'm doing this for free because I want to give back to the community because it's so important, especially with the impending recession and all these clients who are going to be calling you because they're in a severe financial hardship, which is great because now you can settle their case via an offer in compromise or partial pay installment agreement. So get registered. Again, when you register, you're going to get some incredible bonuses just for registering. During these 5 days, beginning Friday, July 8th, I'm going to be giving away thousands of dollars in incredible prizes. This is going to be something you don't want to miss. Allow about an hour each day. We kick it off at 9 a.m. Friday, July 8th. This is going to be incredible, like it was for so many people last year who were emailing us and phoning us and telling us they got their first $5,000 client within 48 hours. But I'm promising that if you do the homework and you do what I tell you to do during these 5 days, you'll have your first $5,000 client in 5 days or less. Let me show you how. Get registered. Click on a link below, and I'll see you inside the challenge.